Today we will be making some but before we get into the video, a quick history lesson. Gunpowder was first discovered in the late Tang dynasty by monks on their quest to discover a life-extending elixir. The way was made is with a very specific ratio of 75% KNO3, 3 grams of charcoal or coal, and 2 grams of sulfur. This was discovered by Europeans sometimes in the 14th century. They also used the corn of the powder, or granulating it, for a more practical use. It also burned better and was generally better than non-granulated powder or non-corn powder. What I'm doing now is I'm dousing the gunpowder in some ethanol, which will very quickly evaporate, and I can put it into a nice little ball, which I can later corn and granulate. I chose ethanol because it dries very quickly, but you can also use any alcohol. If you'd like, you can also use acetone. It took about like 2 minutes to dry. Now I'm just going to cut it into smaller pieces by putting it through a grater. I'm also going to keep some for later. And on to the test. Hey, thanks for watching to the end. Go check out Mr. Yellow's channel. He's making a Cubane project. It's gonna be very, very cool. Also, I'm gonna be uploading on bi-weekly schedule now. So when I don't upload next week, don't be surprised. Bye!